Hi, good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here over on the desirable Bridgewater Development with this fabulous Oakwood property. A stunning 4-bedroom detached which is extended to the rear. Got the integral garage, 2 reception rooms now with the extension, a fabulous open plan family kitchen dining area, 4 generous double bedrooms, the family bathroom, ensuite and the guest WC just as you come through the entrance hallway. So just to my left is access into the garage and then on through to this beautifully presented family lounge. The light flowing throughout the property with the internal French doors and onto this beautifully bright and airy kitchen dining space. So you've got further storage and then just to the end there is the utility with plumbing in place for the washing machine, tumble dryer, also homes the boiler, and then you have further wall and base units. The 4-ring gas hob along with the fitted electric oven and grill. And then onto this fabulous rear extension, flooded with natural light and stunning views of that low maintenance rear garden. So we've got an Indian stoned patio along with the artificial lawn. There is also external power out here along with an external water tap, gated access back to the front and loads of privacy with the trees just behind you. And as we head up to the first floor of this fabulous family home, you'll find 4 double bedrooms, the master complete with an ensuite bathroom, further storage, this lovely family bathroom with shower over the tub here, which is an added feature to the rest of the Oakwoods on the development. This fabulous master bedroom, which is currently accommodating a super king size bed, plenty of space to navigate around, fitted wardrobes in place, and then the ensuite bathroom. Second double overlooking the rear garden. And just down the landing, this is the 4th bedroom, so the smallest of the 4. Easily will still accommodate a double bed, and once again has views of that rear garden. And lastly, now overlooking the front of the property is the last of the 4 doubles. Plenty of space just tucked away here for further furnishings to go, and then you have the water tank in place just behind the door here. Loft access just off the landing, which is boarded for further storage, and then the garage, as I mentioned, as you come in off the entrance hall. Location wise, as I mentioned, we are over on the Bridgewater Development. Popular development within Winton, which is perfectly located within walking distance to sought after primary and secondary schools. You've got local shops also within walking distance and the renowned Winton Park. Excellently located in regards to your amenities and transport links. It's just a perfect family home ready to move straight into and unpack your bags. So if you'd like to come along and take a viewing of this lovely 4-bedroom detached property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.